Alright, so today I got some new bowls, and this comes in a set of 8 of them. Alright, here we go. So we got 8. They definitely need to be cleaned, which that'll probably be the first test. They do say that they are dishwasher safe, microwave safe, so we will try that. Set it on the bottom, dishwasher safe, microwave safe, oven safe, up to 464 degrees Fahrenheit. This is made from a porcelain, so porcelain normally can go pretty hot. Now these ones, they're not super large bowls. I can see this being good for like a noodle bowl, or a dessert bowl, maybe a cereal bowl, oatmeal. I mean, just about anything really. We'll see how hot it does get in the microwave. That's the only con that I have with some of these types of bowls, is that they can get pretty hot, but they should withstand the microwave just fine. But they are pretty nice. They got like a nice marble color to them. Now they are indeed dishwasher safe, came out just fine. And of course it did handle the microwave. Now it is hot, like where the food is touching it, so the bottom part is really hot, the top part is not. So definitely keep that in mind. But overall, these are pretty nice, cute little bowls.